Okay, let's discuss a D chord. Very important chord, used very often in a million songs. Okay, so your pointer finger is going to go on the second fret of the G string. Your middle finger is going to go on the second fret of the E string. And your ring finger is going to go on the third fret of the B string. Try to strum only 4 notes. So you should be strumming and going back. In general, that's what you want to do. 4-string strum, either way. Okay, so again, if you're strumming down, you're going to hold the pick in an up slant, and if you're strumming up, you're going to hold the pick in a down slant. So here you go. And that's your D major chord.